Here comes the latest devices from Vivo, T1 5G and T1X with a starting price of 699 ringgit. The T1 5G sports a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that supports a 90Hz refresh rate, super speaker, a vapor chamber cooling system, and a 4700 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charge. So, in 80 minutes, the device can be charged up to 50%. It also has the Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, 8GB of RAM, 4GB of external RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. Moving on to the cameras, the T1 5G sports a 60MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera module with 64MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro lens. Whereas the T1X features a 8MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro lens. It also comes with a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus LCD that supports a 90Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 680 chipset, up to 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charge. As for the pricing, the Vivo T1 5G comes with a price tag of 1,299 ringgit. But if you are on a tight budget, you may choose the T1X. The 4 plus 64GB variant is 699 ringgit, while the 8 plus 128GB is 899 ringgit. So, which variant or model would you go for? Let us know in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and goodbye. Peace out. Bye!